Hi everyone, on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check your spelling and grammar in Google Docs. So here I've already opened a file on my Google Docs, and to check or to correct your grammar you just need to go to the spelling checks. So here go to this spelling and grammar check, this A and also check icon. Click on that and then this box will appear. If you have any corrections, there will be a suggestion for you in here. But if it isn't Google Docs will say that document looks good. So I'm going to open another file that needs correction. Okay, so here I've already opened another file and I'm going to do the same steps. So you can see that the Google Docs will like suggest you the correct way to type in, like these issues also appear in the Victorian era. So if you accept the correction, you can just click on accept and it will move to another correction here, and you can just click on accept and accept again. So that's a pretty simple on how you can correct your grammar and also spelling in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. And click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.